Jet Drum Sander allows you to quickly and easily handle the finishing of your wood projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to take a board down to an exact dimension. The Jet Drum Sander is very useful when trying to match the thickness of two pieces. Begin by turning your dust collection system and drum sander on. At this time, you should turn on the SandSmart control. SandSmart by Jet will continuously monitor the load on the drum motor and automatically regulate the speed of the conveyor motor to maintain the highest feed rate without overload. The red indicator light turns on when SandSmart control has detected too great a depth of cut and/or too fast a speed rate. Insert your wood piece into the Jet Drum Sander and push it through slowly with light, steady pressure. Rotate the piece 90 degrees and reinsert it. Continue to rotate and reinsert the piece into the machine until all sides have passed through and your desired thickness is achieved. Be sure to insert the piece at multiple entry points so the sandpaper is worn evenly. You can adjust the drum height as necessary to achieve the desired diameter of the piece. Drum height adjustment instructions can be found in the manual. Now that both pieces are approximately the same thickness, run them through the sander simultaneously to bring down to the exact dimensions together. Learn more about the Jet Drum Sander with stand on our website, and don't forget that your tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.